So these all we see inside this FM radio. So we can easily replace the battery if battery battery is dead or something. If you want to replace with a new battery, you can easily do that. So here is the connector. We can just pull it off and replace with a new battery. So I was keep searching some kind of teardown video for this FM radio, but unfortunately I didn't find any such kind of information over internet or in YouTube. So I thought of doing one such kind of video for teardown of this FM radio. So I was initially thinking might be this was glued up, so we cannot open this one. So, but in case we need to replace the battery, obviously we need to open up this one because battery kept inside of this box or chassis. So to tear down this one, maybe we can find some sort of screws or bottom of this speaker mesh. So let's see that one. So first, initially, we need to peel out these rubber pads and just pull this one. Use some sharp object to pull this one to avoid damaging the mesh. So we remove this one. It's not even glued, so we can pull it up easily. Yeah, so we can see a few screws over here, and let's remove this one also. So for this, you can use some sharp plastic kind of thing to avoid damaging this panel. So pull this up. Yeah, we can pull it up easily. This one also. So we can see two screws over here. So let's open them. So I unscrewed all of them. Okay, I unscrewed them. Now let's try to open this one. So this is the top panel and this is the circuit. Okay, so battery is over here. It is attached with some glue. So let's pull it up. Or else let me open this speaker from here. Yeah. So this is the speaker and circuit, FM radio circuit, and one lithium cell. Yeah, it's very simple to open this one and replace the battery. So only we need to understand how easily we can tear down this one to avoid the damaging this.
Bluetooth